Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing solids and preventing set-in. Use a spoon or blunt edge to lift chocolate away without rubbing it deeper. Once done, hold the fabric under cold, running water from the back to push the stain out. Do this for about 30 to 60 seconds so fibers release the chocolate. Next, apply a small amount of liquid laundry detergent or dedicated stain remover directly to the area and let it dwell 5 to 10 minutes so enzymes begin breaking down fats and cocoa. Now you'll actively work the treatment in. Use a soft bristled brush or your fingertips to gently agitate the detergent into the stained fibers, moving from the outside toward the center to prevent spreading. Make sure to rinse and inspect. If it's still visible, repeat the pretreatment cycle until the stain noticeably lightens. For stubborn marks, choose the chemistry. Enzyme-based laundry detergents break down protein and cocoa, while a drop of grease-cutting dish soap helps dissolve fatty components. Finish by laundering the garment on the hottest temperature safe for the fabric using your regular detergent so residual oils are removed. Make sure to air dry or hang the item because drier heat will permanently set any remaining stain. Inspect closely after drying to confirm removal. If a trace remains, don't dry. Soak the fabric in an oxygen-based bleach solution or apply a concentrated enzyme stain remover and let it sit a few hours, then rewash. Key troubleshooting tip: if heat set the stain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.